Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Jury's World. Today I will give you the sample paper CBSE class 11 for term 2, marks 40, time 1.5 hour. Introduction. This paper is divided into three parts A, B, and C. All questions are compulsory. And separate sections are given with each section and questions whenever necessary. Read this instruction very carefully and follow them. Read the pages. So, you do read the pages yourself. After that, we'll together solve the question from these pages. On the basis of your understanding of this above pages, answers this 8 questions from given below. The kingdom of books is as vast as universe, Mars, India, Europe. The kingdom of books is as vast as universe. Add a suitable title on these pages. Books of the universe, wealth of books, books and its popularity, books and knowledge. Suitable title, so the wealth of books. Third, the book in the old times inscribes on rock, pillars, parchment, rock and papers, rock and publishing houses, pillars and papers. Answer should be rock, pillars and parchment. Question 4. Books have universal source of knowledge. Books have universal appeal and range. Books popularize ideas and knowledge and get heritage. All of the above. Answer. Books have universal source of knowledge and everything means all of the above. Question 5. Books encourages research in various fields, spread of progressive views, advancement of civilization and language and literature. All of the above. Here answer is also the all of the above. Books provide intellectual wealth, mental and spiritual growth, physical growth, none of the above. Books provide intellectual wealth as well as mental and spiritual growth. Books that have universal range are books on science, space, literature, and politics. So, books we have universal range are all of the above. Books on science, space, literature, and politics. Modern books have attractive forms, characters of performance, reprints of popular fiction, all of the above. Modern books have attractive forms. Grammar section. Answer the following by choosing the correct option. 1 into 6, 6 marks there. In a letter, the inquiry, we inquiry about cost of conducting a tour, availability of seats in college, universities, price of certain commodities, both A and B. In a letter of inquiry, means in business letter, we inquire about, the answer will be D, both A and B. Cost of conducting tours, you can ask inquiry about that or inquiry about availability of seats in college and universities. Second, where should the subscription be placed at a business letter? At the top of it, at the end of it, just below the date, none of the above. At the end of it, the subscription always we at the end of. Which of the following is not a part of business or official letter? Salutation, subject, photo, and signature. Photo. What is the tone used in a complaint letter? Caring and concern, cold and polite, polite and formal, friendly and warm. In a complaint letter, you use polite and formal tone. Which one of the options get the reader to take your complaint seriously? Vivid description of what happened, When you show that you are on their side, or when you say that you are sorry, when your accusations are personal. Answer will be A. Vivid description of what happened. Question 6. What is the pseudonym in letter writing? Legal name, parent's name, fictitious name, name of the editor. Pseudonym means fictitious name, pen name like. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. The noise of the gunshot rang through the trees and the birds flew off in every direction. The orders were that we dash the area within hours to prevent further loss of life. We had to evacuate the area within hours to prevent further loss of life. The children have had quite this excitement for one day. I think it is time they went to bed. The children have had quite little excitement for one day. When they heard a gunfire across the border, the relief workers in the camp knew that another group of refugees before long had arrived before long. Before I got to the end of his article, I felt I knew everything there. That's about the North America Free Trade Agreement had known. The company is so stable that you can buy shares in it with almost almost no risk of losing any money. Section C. This is literature portion. Read the following stack and answer the question that follow. 3 into 3, 9 marks. A. Then sleek as a lizard and alert and abrupt. She enters the thickness and a machine starts up, obscuring and a tremor of wings and thrilling. The whole tree trembles and thrills. So who is she in the second line? Where does she enters? She is baby dolphins who enters the thickness of the laburnum tree. She is the squirrel who enters the thickness of the laburnum tree. She is the mother dolphins who enters the thickness of the laburnum tree. She is a lizard who enters the thickness of the laburnum tree. So what we found in that poem, Laburnum Top, she is the mother dolphins who enters the thickness of the laburnum tree. Second one, what does machine refers in the extract? It refers to the machine used to drill a hole in the tree. It refers to the machine used to cut the tree. It refers to the nest of the dolphins where its young ones are staying. It refers to the nest of the squirrel. So answer is the it refers to the nest of the dolphins where its young ones are staying. The poetic device is used is sleek as a lizard is alliteration, simile, personification, oxymoron. This is simile. B. Won't you sit down? Asked the girl. She had opened the door of the living room and I went inside past her. I stopped horrified. I was in a room I knew and I didn't know. I found myself in the midst of things I did want to see again, but which oppressed me in the strange atmosphere, or because of the tasteless way everything was arranged, because of the ugly furniture or the muggy smell that hung there. I do not know, but I scarcely dared to look around me. Who is the girl here in the first line? Mrs. S. daughter, Mrs. Darlin, Mrs. Darlin's daughter. This is Mrs. Darlin's daughter. Second, I was in a room I knew and I didn't know. Means the narrator was at a familiar room with unfamiliar things, at an unfamiliar room with familiar things, at a totally unknown place, at a beautiful place with ugly furniture, at a familiar room with unfamiliar things. So answer is A. So it was narrator's visit to that house. First, second, third, fourth is second visit of narrators to that house. See, the mummy is in very bad condition because of what Carter did in 1920s. And Jahi Hawass, Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities, as he leaned over the body for a long first look, Howard Carter, that is, was the British archaeologist who in 1922 discovered Tut's tomb after years of fertile searching. Its content, though hastily ransacked in antiquity, were surprisingly complete. They remained the richest royal collection ever found and had become part of the Faras. What has Howard Carter did to Tut's mummy? Cut his head and main joints, burnt it, cut its skin, all of the above. Cut its head and main joints. Second, what were included in the richest royal collection? Silver artifact, diamond artifact, gold artifact, bronze artifacts, gold artifacts. When was when it was the mummy taken for CT scan for the very first time? It is 5th January 2003, 5th January 2005, 5th July 2003, 5th June 2005. It is 5th January 2005. 6. Answer the following question by choosing the correct options. 1 into 6, 6 marks. What happened to the leaves of the laburnum tree? They were green, they were turned yellow, fallen down, new leaves growing. They turned yellow. Second, when was Tut's body taken for CT scan after being found? After 1 year, after 80 years, after 50 years, after 30 years. After 80 years, Tut's body was taken for CT scan. How did the bird move to the other side of the branch? Like a lizard, slowly, smoothly, by flying, like a lizard. In what attire did the authors find Mrs. Darlin? Author's mother's green knitted cardigan, author's green knitted cardigan. Author is unable to recognize it, not mentioned in the story. Author's mother's green knitted cardigan. What were there in the first coffin? Garlands of olives, lotus petals, and cornflower. Sunflowers, flowers and coins. Gold, wealth, bronze, treasure, games, clothes, cases of food and wine. So in the first coffin they found garlands of olives, lotus petals. Means answer is A. Unlike Mrs. Darlin, her daughter was dressed towards the author. Rude, mature, hospitable, mean. This is rude or hospitable. This is hospitable. Actually, they welcome her, but the surrounding she did not find comfortable, isn't it? Okay, this is a sample paper for class 11. If you like my video, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.